Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and email address. So first of all, open Chrome browser, go to the search option. Now I'm showing here two simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Type here to recover Gmail account. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Click on the first link. Select this option, recover a hacked or hijacked Google account or Gmail. Click on. Scroll down. Click on to recovery page. Okay, type here your username or email. Tap on to next. Click on try to another way. Enter your password, but I don't know my right password, so I can do try another way. Click on. Click on to continue. And here you can two option. Click on to update password. And here you can show your password option, and you need to just trying to give a strong password and click on to save password. Then finally recover your hacked Gmail account. No need to phone number and email address. I hope if you want to follow my whole process very carefully, then you can recover your Gmail account. So that's how you can do it.